Oh, we're all done.
Wait. Wait, honey. What's that? We need to work on that rebounding.
I made it.
Woo. Do you want to take a video? Take a video, then we can.
I'm actually taking one now.
Oh, okay.
Alright, Scotty, go ahead. We're recording.
Here we go.
Hands free. I'm so good at it.
Yay! Oh, look at me. It's really hard. I'm hanging there by one arm.
I should do it so it looks like he's doing it.
It's kind of boring, don't you think?
I like the side view.